So Jpac screenshotted everyone about Topant and Brown. Now, why are you doing this? Stop, warrior. I will change your life. If you stop it, what I go one year by a hardship of no hardship in Nigeria. Just pay attention. Watch. Am I getting I can whip this their picture so you will view it very well. Hold on. Okay. Now I'd like you to view it. So watch, read very well. Monitor the message and read. Oh, she's like, I'm afraid. Oh yeah, Otilo, bye bye. The woman born about Jpac screenshotted it and be sending it to her to stop all this prostitution. Look at it. When I see this one go hard, you. Actually, I'm screenshot to ya. You can share this one go hard, you. When Jpac would have pushed this lifestyle. Listen. There, Jpac, am I lying? There. Go here conversation, Yana Jpac. Yana, see this one go hard, though. This one go hard, though. Anything you see here, put it on. Okay. Now, Jpac negated the lady. Yaposha Shawo. So when you see her talking, it's a brain of a woman with common sense. I'm going to work every time you're going to work. Yes, I'm going. Let's get the video yourself. Wait. Where is that her shower video? What is that a showeristic video? See, I pity these people. They post some important thing. She's fine, she's beautiful. She's fine, but she don't get brain. No, I'm not talking to you. I'm on live program. Did you hear me? Yeah. You know, she's fine, but she don't get common sense. She fine, she carry her toto. They sell them. They sell them. Anyhow, it's not the point of contention. Excuse me, do you know why all of you guys now not any regret here? Because you went and marry physical beauty. And now pass it the most important message. When I now pass it, she fine. What's it got to do with define? What do you define as beauty? What do you define as beauty? If I may ask this daft. What do you define as beauty? What is your definition of beautiful? You see why a lot of you guys make mistake. And we're gonna find it. How is this family living better than mine? Or is it not the same marriage where we marry together? You see what I'm saying? Why is this family living at peace? Because you went and married a club because of beauty. And that is the reason a lot of you guys see Jpac. Beauty without brain. Beauty without brain. Beauty with only odoya. I pity a lot of our men. I see some comments, I shake my head. I say no wonder a lot of you guys I pity you now. At this era, you went to marry I pity all of you. I pity. I do have a lot of messages, a lot of complaints that come to my WhatsApp. Okay? People will come and tell me, okay, there was this, if I married that of beauty, okay, what is happening now? You married that of beauty, but you are hopeless. You married that of beauty, but you wear brain. Look at itilurity. Yeah? I pity all of you. But anyway, give me the win about Nigerian beauty content. Oh manama. Give them a wee bit the water content. No, I not them manama gaga there. What stop her or na club boy brown abasha we go win the content in here. A woman get me porno like this everywhere she wish. No common sense. A woman get just to make porno every on your lap. Is that what you call beauty? Go and look at Michelle Obama. Did you see any beauty in her? But she got what it takes to build a man to get to where he is today. Is it Michelle Obama? Did you see any beauty in her? But she's a Harvard graduate with a brain. I pity all of you. That is why a lot of you guys see, in abject pain today. The men excruciating pain. Oh, because you guys, because of she's fine, she's fine. Forgetting that tomorrow now, young accident like this now. Where is the beauty again? Young accident like this. The brain is the only thing that can sustain you. Brain that brought you in this world is the only thing that can take you back and take you to where you're going. I pity all of you. All right. Oh yeah, Otila. You cannot come here and stop talking because your brain is nonsense. You cannot digest a very important question. Hold on. Ndenga block. Oh yeah. Kofi Moses. Oh yeah. Otila. Take it. Okay? What do you no get sense? Oh yeah. Mbaba. Now protection of Fofu. Oh yeah. I want to be sending you guys where are shall we born today? Men when no get brain. In a onye galo. Imagine. She's beautiful and you wouldn't know a woman who wants something to offer. Yeah, and they're up with Jpac. You believe a woman who wants something in this life. Because someone ikabugo wa boyanka. Ikeburo wa boyanka. You want to go? Ikeburo wa boyanka. Because ome kariana. Anyway, target Choma is a hand. Akwaya Choma Anambra, right? Akwaya Choma now. Please, whenever you come my platform, I would like you to share the program. Eva Comedy, you're welcome, my sister. Share this program. That's why some people who all this showing bleaching. She's fine, she's light skin. Being a banoyo. Being a banoyo one in Takashio to everywhere. Green, blue, black, green, fat, bang. Tagiana Choma, I think the Choma number, right? Is that Choma? I want to some about Jpac war because of your Jpac woman. That is why when a woman OMG should before God long wine, always try to have conversation with any woman. Stage that person 3 good months. When conversation, but at the level of wisdom, you guys don't listen to me. When a woman open her mouth, Gabata has standard and the way she reason. I want to mental problem. And I'm on a psych facility. If you want to see people that are on the edge, you want a mental psych problem. You will see them, they walk out, how much and pass, we sign them out. They will dress, beauty things, walking on the street, giving a game, I pity all of you. What I go? Chioma, my sister, I want to address you. You know, we started on a rough ground because you joined the Palace of Fools with lies. A lot of you guys were deceived. You came out, you start making program. I'm beginning to wonder, who is this? I don't even know her. You know? Then, that was when our problem started. You want to go? And you made a video, you said a lot of things. Even the hospital we are building for the poor, you projected evil in the hospital. That was why I came after you. But nevertheless, I don't have no problem against you. Because I know a lot of people were deceived through those propagandas. The engineers, the architects, the foundation of that palace of criminals, Jpac. Only my father's corpse, Jpac. I wouldn't have known that they are the engineers. They are the pioneers of that page. that looked for a sister in home, just that anime defending him. You joined them and you fought me. You made some videos with incantation. And even I'm like a threat with the Dibia. And that was why I came after you. Always the time, at time, I'm going to get the best judgment in this earth. What time? I wouldn't get Judge Pastor, you. No. I'm going to get the best judgment in this life. What time? Time is worse than karma. Time, because it only takes time for the everything to surface. When I always tell you that, forget about karma. Time is the best thing that can ever hit you in this life. As time progresses, you begin to see the same kind. Bogi Ashe accuse you of many things. Oh, what this Ken has been doing to this woman. Oh, now you start to feel the pain. When the time hits Chief Imo realized that Chief Imo here. Chief Imo realized that, oh, so when time hits Gozio Keke. Oh, Gozio Keke remember, oh, so put this woman wash. When time hit Angela Wosu begin to, oh, Chimo. When time hits many people that I cannot even mention. Those that have been in that palace of criminal and devil, evil, manipulated set of people that decided, manufactured lies. Give me 3 hours video, copy half. They will copy half. That place, that is the only place they will pick up a point. They brought out and people joined them blindly. Some people are still in the hate today because I stood my ground. I defended myself. I did not allow a group of evildoers to intimidate me, to suppress me. I came out, I stood my ground. A lot of people, when Choma started to, I look at this woman and say, if I come for you, if you mention my name, so now reality begin to hit all of you. No, you fully aware that majority of you joined hands in palace of criminals to lie against me for years. But nevertheless, Choma, I bear no grudges against you. I have let him go, my sister. You are from Anambra, I'm from Anambra. I bear no grudges against you. I see, when you come to me, I cannot reject you. When you say something, okay, do not record. No. I'm a very good person, but I do not allow anybody here. I will find. Let's mention. Okay, I'm sorry. And when you hear sorry, and when you go, and I'm the game on young wishes. Whenever I'm wrong, I will just say, hey, namo me tuwe Ichana judi ne tuwa bia lerebem na ebem ne tudima metu dogu dogu ehum gam tuga awunwa na aludi lufa lufe. You know, but people think, okay, oh, you ask people that are very close to me. They will tell you how magnificent I am. I'm royal to a fault, but I do not tolerate rubbish. What I go? So I don't give any reason. My husband gige jukwo kuma barewe. I like a man of integrity. My husband with every quality, every woman, a child, he respects you. Do you know how many people that have called my husband to remove me from Facebook? Sorry. That have called my husband to remove me from Facebook. My husband Ashia. If I remove my wife from Facebook and she gets into depression, what gives her joy? Where she expresses her feelings. If my wife fall into depression, will you be here to help me to cure her? Let me tell you, Oge is the best thing you can ever. I know how to cook. I know how to nyash. I know how to bring ideas. I know how to build. I'm a brain. I'm the engine that builds. If it's not to me, my husband like good things. My husband like quality, expensive stuff. We're going to allow all these expensive stuff. But don't want you with a brain. Oruhu 2 years ago, because of me, I'm behind him. Many investments to that it's just because of a brain is behind him. I am not a useless woman like one Jpac and brain. It's only a prostitute who look at things that matter. and you depend on your wife. So you depend, yes, I'm about Jpac, your wife. Because Jpac is now your wife. You want to go? So, Choma, my sister, I bear no grudges. I love you. I heard that you made an offer. You gave him 100,000. Yeah, 100,000. Who am I to reject it, Banu? Why am I going to reject your 100K? And when I reject it, if you're big Kubana, I should get 100,000, you go collect. But I would like you to give it to somebody. Can you no big and that money? Jesus, you can no big and them that money. And when you no big, you them that money. So you give that person that money. Hey, you can no big, you put here and you get money. Go. Somebody need help more online. So okay, that money where they are the person. Tell them I will also do a program. Direct the person Kenya the money. What I go? So I love you as a sister. Thank you for that appreciation. The person, I will also come here. If I'm the person no kwam no be. Oh, the person no kwam no be just escape now. But the person, I will let you know. What I go? So getting the person go. My sister, my sister, come on. So guys, share them the video, the main topic in a head video. One Jpac. Let me play because you know, I want a long case to settle with one. I have a long Zaga G's analyzer. Thank you for keeping up. You know, I don't really keep up. I don't really watch people's page. If it's not you, I wouldn't have been getting a lot of information. Thank you for those of you that have seen what I've been through on this Blue app and still stood by me and know that okay, when nothing but a good heart. Anybody that wants to come and lie or intimidate me, that I have not been replying some certain person does not mean that I'm stupid. When I will come after them now, you know, get you on your job. No get you with the bad person. But they have been poking me now. They poke him. Nobody will see it. My fire. They no go see her. Now, Jpac. Can go do the level of brain of one Jpac. On a demma. Give him mad. Don't look at the facial beauty. Facial beauty, just anything can happen. When you get tomorrow night, haven't you seen 25 years? Young girls having problem. But young girls do that thing now when we're problem. Yeah, for one place now. Accident mayor, I repair here. Will you say marry her because of that beauty? Or you going to marry her because there is something behind that beauty? You want to go? No. I want to start from your wife before I go into your main video. Hey, you're on yesterday. Jpac. Genti, this, what is his name? First lady, I have told you this and I will still repeat it. It's about time you start speaking. It's about time, because this guy get butcher get bubo. Before this podcast, she made a comment under your comment section. She gonna get gamante yam babaro bishiegi. And they screenshotted that thing about it. I pity you. You see, women like you, I have problem with you guys. All women are weaker vessels. No, they are only destroying your person. Until the day, okay, destroy in total. By then you will understand that only on a mission. Or show anybody that will stand and defend you. In my name, this guy is useless. He never owned up to his own mistakes. Jpac, only something. Have you monitored this bastard? Everybody merojiri everything. Everybody merojiri. I did this. I made him intention. I won't He never owned up to any crime to tell you that this guy will. Do you know why that you were a very good leader? Because when you make mistakes, you end up to it and said, yes, it was my fault. And you let go. But you always look for somebody. At what age? At what age? I ask you, at what age can people will keep manipulating and making you to do something? You a betrayer. You a snitch. You are somebody. Stop shying away from the main topic. You brought Mbaka old video to convince people, to confuse everywhere. If my husband had to call me from military zone, ebe on a mega, ebe hand on a military camp. Shimbe, here send them on WhatsApp. You know, my husband don't mess with Facebook. He's on Twitter. Eben dishine no like him no. On Twitter. I saw one video on Twitter and Twitter. What's going on, man? Okay. Oh, okay, babe. I just want to check up on you to make sure everything is fine. And that's it. Because he is the last person I'm going to Ashi. I don't lie to him because Ashi. Onu aka alaji ugo di ejila pola ya. What I go? And when him gano at today, I don't go tell my husband. So anything where you want to gossip him, I don't know, just tell him. So all of you where they lie to your husband, big kopushia, Makeichi, you know how to stand to defend you in all costs. I am people just I saw video Keza Haya Igbo, my brother name oh no play match Ngana man Jakarikana. I didn't start from the beginning to listen to Onuowu. But at time when I finished passing my mess, Lord, I was doing my chatting. So I'm like, okay, let me put it. Mam chatting. I said, okay, let me put the video and hear what Onuowu said. No, way. Oh no, well, I stand to correct you. You're my brother. But some statements in that thing he make, I don't like it. I don't like it. When I started to watch your video, do you know that my husband make times 7 than what I make? And when my husband is making times 7, did they make what they make in Oboda? Mama and why would you make such utterances? Are you okay? Oh no, please, you may take it as a joke. Many people have taken it as seriousness. Guguru to standard of Ugochukwu, Dr. Ugochukwu. Dene kam ga gun no wa. Ije she na odika na me tomana hutumu yo na kuruti mu gulo na. Are you okay? Are you really okay? Why would you make such utterances? Why would you make such statements? Ugochukwu yirigi onyem ga kulu. Do you know how much doc make? Do you know how much doc make? Oh no, I am the only Igbo woman in Ghana 16 hours. My husband the 12 hours. Oh, my husband am a kitchen. All his life he studied medicine. They did not take Maya to kitchen. All he did was to study. Abacha strike about it. He spent almost 10 years in Goguga Medical School. Strike up. My husband, I will work 16 hours. You know how hectic it is to work to stand as a professional nurse here. You know, everywhere you're weak. Didn't go on Elube, did not play computer. See, but on they go and prepare food for me. I will drop everything I'm doing and go to the kitchen and prepare. No matter what time it is. No matter what time it is, I will wake up and do it. I got my share, go and take the food by yourself. I never did it. I've never done it in my life. So please, withdraw that. I like it, Kwame. I like it, Kwame. Don't play with me with such narrative. I am not every other woman now. You may be seeing me a different person, me here. Because, with all due respect, because people that knows me very well know that I don't play with my husband. Other women on Abia here change. I was brought up to respect Nwoke. I was brought up, these people that like to subdue me. And when I want to talk, when I talk, I'm poor. Oh, they wouldn't me way. And one nigga back close to me and I had the jealous of our marriage. You see it, you see humility, you see love, you see cherish. Jim Kamane, not you are my brother, don't cross some boundary. I hope you spoke under influence of alcohol or under influence of weed. Because I want your former. And I wanted that weed or former. Don't cross some boundaries, please, with all due respect. I love you as a brother. When I was opening my hotel, I invited you and you went there. No, they tap like that. I don't like it. Because whatever. Don't do that. Do I pretend on social media? Come real life. Or take respect, then you take advantage of it. Do you know how much dog respect me? Some days here because of all the quiet, man disrespect you. How many people in here? I don't know, we'll stop it. Oh. Why would you say that I'm one in only? How? You may go let talk make a rule on that level of my husband. Please, oh, Okunushi, okay, Punya Mama, and the Emana people now watching. I don't like that. I don't like that. Because now can join them better on Nubia. Share them with this video, please. Jpac, you went and had meeting with all these content creators. You went and had meeting with them. Nega put on social media. For them to join you, I pity those useless content because I'm a damage go to their career. I'm a destroy go to their career. I have started digging. I'm a body lost son. At a point, your children will come into this saga. Japan, how far? At a point, Maggie Mpagi got on this saga. After all, my father is on this saga. My mother, so my family don't enter, but even my husband. So when I will start to face you raw, don't say I did not warn you. Each of you brew problem where you don't know how it is. So you want me to change what I said. Jpac was returning from Ghana. And you make your post. Jpac made a post. Nayana Batafo, examine of us. People went under the comment section and said, now, truth has come. Go some fake bloggers on now, Jpac, I said I accepted that offer. And we must do that test. If you don't do it, I will petition you na IG. From IG. Number one, gina ex-convict Nigeria. All of you, don't play with me. You know, I'm going to get that I'm returning to Nigeria. I thought I was playing. You must do that exam, whether you like it or not. That examination, because you have already told the whole world, and people have accepted it. Now, people feel that I lied against you, and I want to prove myself that I did not lie. So, Jpac, see, that one will not enter. You know this fight. None of you will come out and tell this guy, Yaga made the right thing for using my father, all false narratives about me. You guys dragged me for 7 years. Many people believed it. Now my father raped me. That's my father, my mother, Jerejana, who with the work also. My mother, go and ask about my mother. My mother was born at Mpamebu. A woman who is virgin Lordy. A woman who is virgin Lordy. A reputable woman. Mama was the only woman who had her name in the war. Even some people in Nigeria, how did you born this crazy woman like me? Go to Ebumpama. People will tell you about Edith. Very humble to a fault. AG, can my mother noroto? Oh, my mother, the whole family in a church. Can't I put my mother? Mama, that every soul respects me. Go and find out. Go and find out. To a fault, mommy, edit to anybody with a problem. Humble to a fault. A woman need to get the wrong way holy until the PTA from Nigeria to US. Ridicule for no reason. Jeju anybody, even at this Chicago. My mother, Chineke forgive Ogi. Chineke, Onya kamu OG time church na Assemblies of God. Go and verify. You came out, you carry false narratives, you carry false information. Now my father, now my mother sleep. Oh my God. Jpac, any day that I remember to let you be, any day that I will let you and your wife have peace. Man, I will move for 7 years. People people that speak put on social media, instead of you to sit down and tell this guy that what he did was wrong. Are you serious? Brought out my father, Professor Dr. Timothy Okeke. How many people came on who did that level of education? Jpac brought my family, ridiculed them to zero, and you're not focusing to Namshinana. Hey, you are not focusing. Namshinana, who the fuck is he? Did I lie that I'm about Jpac in Ike? Are they not gnashing Jpac inside Ike? Tell me the lie I told. I will pay him any damages. If there is no the virgin, why are you guys not the necessary thing? Now you guys are calling me that I'm the one that I fought. And expect that child to react to your own time. And expect that child not to react, or you tell me how to corner my mouth to talk when I'm angry. They brought Dr. Professor Timothy Okeke Unsu Jpac Diaro no program lenu ndeno na social media na agbono lenu mpahala in the state. Jpac mocked. None of you guys are saying it. Everything is okay, but you are concerned that I'm pure. That I'm pure. You guys must be crazy. Okay, you're doing me free commercial. People are that when they console you. I know you very well. If you are at peace, why are you paying all the charge and bear content creators? If you are having peace, all this pretend that you pretending is, I know they care. Because I'm going from, I've been with you, I know your weak points. You don't like anybody to call you. I remember when okay dinner bag war. Every time I on my inbox. Nagama ku him and woka. Every time I bag war. Okay, na bamona okay dinner number 1 year. He hates saga. E putakwa get pretend there. You must reply me. You must reply me. Gimwa, he got reply him. You will reply me. Niya ine pretend. Imanam jigging up. Socrotum. Imanam jigging up. Mamu. Imana, ibeze, inapa saga, but imekwageji direct na about the saga. Inapa about saga, and me make kamasha, and me make kamasha na. Look at me. Inekwana gana about the saga, but you don't reply. You get you lied. You cannot use Mbaka video. Mere Kembe. How many getting to a year now? Double put a while. Mbaka Barage Bam, but ex-convicts. 3 of us. Mbaka Barani all the. So why are you now pinpointing my own and removing your own? Just keji overshadow ihe nemen. Jpac. Onyana Pontunike. You must come and tell us. Who brought out my father's picture and gave to you? Because I need to do HIPAA violation. You cannot violate and disgrace my father to that manner. And you think I will let lie. Until a bit of woman that you guys don't value your parents. You don't have regard. I do. For some idiot I will useless women in a query and some useless men in a query. So it work in a juicy okay, I at that time you show to fight or we shall that time, why would you tell me when to start my war? Are you okay? And when you when to come, now that child in a check to revenge. Because actually, on your book, I matter. Again, oh, him be mad to put a copy, can I be the one Ben? Because when you start to ask that time, now is the time I want to ask, why would Jpac bring my father and belittle Professor Dr. Timothy Okeke to that manner. You want to go? So now, now it's time for me to ask the reason OG men pam here. And it's time to no, I won't make the date, I will come for it. You want to go? And when they will come for it. So for all of you that want to put me the mandate and the time to do it, it's not gonna work. Now, let me go because I have a lot to say. I want many things to say. Now, First Lady, I want you to listen to this interview. Listen, this guy get destroyed until you start bringing evidence to start to destroy him. All these things are my game. My fucking game. They told me the same game when I was in the I give only 2 years. You can't think about them. We are clocking 5 years now. We are clocking 5. We are still living even my husband, but how I go just play with them. You cannot hide a female. You all are not to peace. You can see how it's working. He will always tell you, if they single, if all these things are rubbish. You must not talk. William, come destroy this guy. Everything counts. You must not come out with your face. I know some people cannot speak. I can understand that. But can waste these idiots. Can waste here. And I'm a do my brand the guy he now him about I'm a bit of say what my John the brand or wouldn't not often name it. I'm a bit of say what those useless brand they should know him and gazam keep those years awam dala. You never see problem. Jpac, everything you have labeled against people, lied against people, tormented new married people. Man, you come out, you lie. Now, all you like to get all but take an about war. You don't go get you no one war. You go war. In a bomb a wayward woman, just Lego the one again. Lego the one again. In a bomb uncultured woman. Le fat Lego that shower loro. The golden keta ipapani me church. Len keta na ba kuna na club. Barakwa shower ya bana church. Just take a look at. Let shower that loro. Just welen keta ndoka. That is why you disrespected the ndoka. You picked her from the club instead of you. Deliverance, spirit of a shower. You still naked her. Look at that. Let get for God church. The one get church. See a show where you carry enter church. Now be with the mono. Ipa by me church. It's an egg one on your one kitabia church. Chopoya, I got a bura nyeze, Chopoya, no rich. In a rich, for your rich and keep begging, enter church. In a Simon cultured. Can your wife ever step, even when you go get a real piece of what I have achieved in this life? Do you know that I was a beautiful woman before I even got married? And I hid everything from my husband until Yalo Batam. I single-handedly built a hotel. I don't want to go there because I bring many things. Oh, that's insurance and Igbo. Oh, I can here. That insurance, oh, I can 16 hours. Oh, the insurance. Leave material things when I couldn't afford them because I went in focus. This place in mega acquisition in Enugu, it was 5.5 plots of land. I bought it only 2.something million. Then go and price how much it is now. I can't build the Igbo everywhere. When I bought it, it's only 2 or buffer. Or a brain in a bute. That is what you see somebody that have it here. I secured many things before I got married. All that in shit, I ain't a boo. That golden in shit, I ain't a boo. I butchaya, we become kings and queens in Nigeria. We are not prostitutes. Now this, each about one America. Nobody will have time to pay a lotion. Because everybody's calculating the amount of money you will be on Gaga whole school. I want me to you have to be the onya pube nani travel onya mebre no wa Abuja or Ghana and Kahagra tomorrow yesterday a shower nani hono jahe otule no shisha hey when I barato no swimming pool are ya mutula ya apona obula nothing more no na offer onwe brain you wake up brain itibari iti e hono otule ukwu she fine. Fine. Yes. That golden shine that is why he went reputation, integrities. That is why I'm not the man abashike. Because I'm not doing that. When it comes to finances, when it comes to investments. Why do you think people call me notorious investor? Do you think it's just ordinary? Oh, people, mama or fuma. You a shame. You and your prostitute that shower. Look at him, banning me church. Okay. But he buteran and ketasha that the wool on your father. He buteran that the wool on your father. Our Paris father. Get buteran and keta. It is she. What prayer will you shake again? That put me church. Look, you called me uncultured woman because I'm a very outspoken person. You cannot call me a shower because it's not even possible. What I go? Look at, just take a look at our corner. As usual, each and all my Pikiana club. You don't know that you're stepping into the church. Now, this place is a holy ground. Even a prostitute do not cover when you enter. Even Onyara, na mata no church ko bere ya no wayo. Even onya mahihan imbecile ya be ya no pamayo nele. But because of him Lura Akona way is chronic Akona. Way has gone beyond a shower. Get serenketa you enter church. Koya babuela anya father. Anya father ana appoint ana one throughout a major program. Yes, because Emana Akona cannot hide so long. It can't. Oh, you know, so get you. Am I cultured? Are you going to buy Nanya? In Nuna Kotokoto. And when he name so all the women in Abasha, we never knew that you would end up with a shower. Now I want to show you something. Guys, hold on. I want to show you something. Guys, please now share the video. Click. I'm sure get the one you bought on a shower. I'm gonna get Jpac, listen. One thing you should understand is that you made the biggest mistake of your life for that empty old brain of your wife to start responding to me. Okay, people matter because when I was doing my nursing program, I read psychology school 101. I can tell when I'm imbecile talking. I can tell the first time I saw her, I examined. I said, "This is a done deal. This is over." Because you know, I'm fine. Papa try a camera. One again, Kamaka. One again, Kamaka. Taking me, arguing, not pretending until my daughter. Don't put your popular who that's it. Everything I said is nothing but common sense. No brain. Brain the empty. Nani hope we. That's it. We no nishi lie. Carry empty, keep for house. A shower where they don't use, scatter the whole world. A shower don't use ya meoje, scatter. Not fair, idiots. Why are you then now advising her, chatting her to stop her corner? If I'm lying, if Ogechi is making up story, why are you chatting her to stop prostitution before you marry her? Yeah, now, but you say Nigeria hard. All nation, all one double. Guys, let me take you to a journey. Did you have to put on an area double? Now, back because of hardship in Nigeria. This life, eh? You get a CBO life, you get a CBO. Did you what they call us with the pack nash, with the pack sheet for all the abroad women, for all the abroad women, for all the hard-working mothers. For all the abroad men, for all the hard-working abroad men that decided not to do Yahoo, that decided to open their nyash, bend, ike bend, bend. All the Igbo women, all women in general, that no Igbo and decided to ban Wenhuru. Start from nothing to something. Start from Igbo and build house for your mother, and build house for your father, and build house for your own. So when you travel, you will fat ebulirimu no oyilelu. Ebulirimu no oyilelu. Proudly, you in fact had them too proud for you guys. You guys are the reason why we still have culture and tradition. You guys are the still reason one of the best. We will not allow this prostitute, this Nketaboga church. We will not allow people like them to destroy or to humiliate or to bring us down. The reason why we come here to work without using our elbow, because we have dignities. How many Igbo women can in a club now? Every time counts. Money counts. Time counts. We got bills to pay. We are responsible. We are not waiting for any man to take us or pay us before we enter to make money. Every woman that have keeping their dignities respected with pride. Anointing oil. My daddy Ebuka anointing oil. The only prophet. I raise your oil for all of them. Because he will double. Often you have an answer. Now you Ebukobi, whether they like it or not. I don't care about useless I'm not a testimony. You are just a useless, hopeless man. Any great chapugamoge, anyway, topic you go next time. Because I am Jpac this morning. Can go about Jpac. Mbaka video cannot stop him. Mbaka video cannot close nothing. I will make follow this page. I'm about Jpac. If you're not following my page, after this video, follow it, share it. Mama what the worst nightmare. Why I need Jpac and Jpac game. You know what I get with it. I will dig Jpac past Jpac. You did not see it coming. You didn't see it coming. You must. Apagi. My respect to all of you. May God bless you. At least we are paying our bills. We are making our mothers proud. We are not in the club. We are not open for any STDs. You don't? At the end of the year, government is still appreciate you by filing your tax. That is what you appreciate every hard-working person. No, but that. May God bless you all. May God bless you all for not being a prostitute. Now, I want to show you guys one thing. I want you to watch Abaton on camera. Pay close attention, whatever I'm showing you. You know what I am meaning? Good. Dala. Jpac, he made the biggest in Apata. And I make a free commercial. Yes, let me be giving you food because you don't have work. I will be doing free ad for you because you don't have work. I'm gonna make the free advertise, baby. Free! Because I know you can afford me. I will be freeing your advice. You want to go? So, okay, now here, because I don't need to try. I never free advice. And then 500,000. You are just somebody gonna it won't go. I can't get how much. You later disappointed him. You later betrayed him. You later gave up because he stopped giving. It will with we belly face. It's not a new thing that you 500,000. I couldn't give millions. Million. So what the fuck? 500,000 on that today. That's when your wife opened mouth and said the Odogu wife, I begin to wonder. He said the idiot that we are begging ego because of page. Now, can I turn on now this particular video? Okay, the video. Now, I will explain this video to you guys. I want you guys to pay attention. Here where the lady na barande mbadoko. The lady get boy na. Ya gbage go liga apoya. She will tell you how much you will pay her. Gina ya kubi ugbo. Ya boge life. Baragoto. Here a very dark man is not name that time. Baragoto. Now, here a conversation. Yana Jpac umere. One of the ex, a pay phone with Jpac. Record wire. Jpac was busy telling this girl because Onya we double standard person. Yana Onya. So they can or choring with this one. Now I gonna start to see how the girl post through for job. If you are interested, call me. One fan, call me. We go around. You want to go? So Jpac I hope picture ya. Ebo post na chat ya. Why all this? Delete all these things. No, they do. You never see anything. How will your biggest problem? Actually, you come out to dispute it. I don't know why you did in a wayward person. Guys, pay attention. Share this video. Tag your loved ones. Tag your Makechi. Jpac wife is a public wife. You can price her and rana yozubo without wasting time. I shall know they change overnight. I shall know the na in blood. That is why she can't. She cannot cook. Jpac if I lie. Tinya camera. I want to get she from Mbopitoro. Banyoko. She tried that food. The woman cannot cook. She cannot sit in the kitchen. I talk about the when you're with a cultured woman, you are referring to me or more. She cannot cook. All she does is a job. Jpac came and the story that I'm telling. Come out and dispute if you're one or una club. Onye kuru ipo wanye ga labu. Even in the marriage, she can't cook. Bet me, stand it. If he mena Jpac aga me nyegi 2 million. Woman, you go she chanri. Come send one of my fans. Go get test the hoshi. Because when you crazy in email, she chan. She the auto wolo where. Make I send one of my fans. Can dig one get shiri. Can make it 2 million instantly. I will send one of my fans saying neutral support again and support my own me on here. Or they are against you or they are against me. She just in the middle. Come send there. Go get test Congratulations, anyone gishi. Oh, Gabo Katando do Buyashiga from Libon and Shichan. Let them sit down and eat. Let's see how it works. Igagaburu or Changele Gahapu, a first lady, woman that stood by you. Mena get la mena gimo. You be beautiful without nothing. Luna Egypt to Bahage. Gana no nyocha. Gana be. They said you, Eva TV, if I'm lying, come and confirm it. If I'm lying, confirm exactly what I said. I will give 1 billion. Good. A question I find some, Nanya will gang. Yes, we are gang you. My fans, they rugged and they believe in the truth. And it's only the truth to get said to Mona get free na this war. How to go to all this kakambunda in our war to come and save you? Lie. He's very hungry. The one saying, a bit of Bemske, okay, I can maybe to play with voice. Asking people just to click follow the share, follow this page. Yan nature on a page. Follow. Na mi Jpac nantemuke gara enter. In fact, ana shekama kama. Come on, make it worse. And I think I saw one, make she don't talk one and keep quiet too. Anybody will advise and make she keep quiet. She made the biggest mistake. Somebody says she go add 1 million. Now they are trying to give you the money you are hungry for. Ego abakwala, ego abagoko kwe. Money day, surplus. Guys, let me make this official. I am coming to Nigeria. And very dark man in me. I'm going to Nigeria to meet people that I will present a case they will listen to me. I'm gonna build my team in Nigeria. You see, people in all these men that are busy doing our women technology trafficking, all these people gonna have a major business area your money. All these people now law our women into prostitution. Actually, I mean, we're a team of police officers. I'm not gonna call them on my team, but when we submit our petition, they will answer us. So I'm not just coming to Nigeria for ordinary thing. I'm coming for a mission. For those of you that are saying Ogechi is a problem, yes, I will be the worst problem of all of you. So get ready. I will be worse than very dark man. I will be worse than very dark man. Enough is enough. Our women has been subjected to many things. So we will put hands together. If you are with me on this, I want to see your hands up. If you are with me on this, those that abuse our women because they don't have much to say, those that abuse our men because they said because of men, everybody, we will submit it with our own money, the petition, with our own money. We have to start hunting all these people down. We have to put an end to this. So, when I reach Nigeria, there are people that I will meet. Shimbobiko, this is my mission online, and I would like you guys to work with me. So we will make sure that all these things come to an end. You want to go? Or she's Zuike. When I go feel them. Zuike. Uno chore continue. Now allow our women with 30,000 into prostitution. Uno chore continue. Now allow our women into rubbish. We will hunt you down. We will make sure that the justice prevail. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. When I tell you that enough is enough, all of you that are taking advantage of many people, and the people that will cook up stories just to get click and like, guys, I need your support. I need your moral support, your share, because I'll be uploading videos with evidence. With an evidence, we upload it. And you know, 2 or 3 days or 24 hours. You want to go? 2 or 3 days to do it. If they refuse, we send our petition to the right source. It's about time. It's about time. And trust me, it's about time. So I may my team that will be you may not know the team because I don't want to get threatened with anybody. I got submit the petition to the right authorities. Yes. Let us start somewhere. And we have to make it work. So all of you, there are more than beyond Gihine. What I go? So okay, it's about to go down. It's about to get down. So okay, now let's continue. Kamishigi, I want you to pay attention because I may flip this phone. I will repeat this, and you make sure you capture what I'm about to explain. This video will be Jpac screenshot or one year, bottom. Now, send the other share. Why can't you stop this? Make sure you screenshot this until you get here. You understand what I'm saying? Make sure you screenshot it. Make sure you screenshot it. Because you listen to the message na happy with the number. Do not send me message happy with the number. I don't want anybody to. We will bring a group to work. No, I don't need all that. I don't need all that. Okay, Jack, I'm going to have red carpet. Because I should not get that they go payment me. I said make them bring red carpet before they payment me. So guys, you got home. Because there is a lot of things about to go down the stream. You want to go? No need of screaming. Happy I want to be the one to start the job. Then let other people join me. No more screaming. I'm post with the facts and evidence. From 1 to 2, a bit of what the job was. So I want to meet the top and the toppest. You want to go? So I want you to get ready. Obolo belifa. I got to come ke mo, but the good thing is the other man neighbor name get operate. And in the Ghana and Nigeria, you will not see them. Bam bam bam. We will use our money to sponsor it. We will be arrested. You will be brought to book. Did you already settle it out of court? You settle it. You want to go? It's up to you to decide the corner you want to go. Everything is left for you. It's a decision you will make by yourself. So now, stop sending me message. That is the message. I want you to read what I'm about to explain to you now. Me my only fan. Go only fan. Because I know be their member. I know they do what they do. That's not only fan. This guy with a private top fan. Private top fan. Igbo ya jale. Iga po you go no. Iga po you go. Igbo ya jale. And I'm talking with those people record there because some of them have chatted me. Okay, I'm cool down. No, we have a G game. No, we have a Junga. Some of them are asking me to give them. I know they give shesh. If you don't want to bring it to keep it to your fucking self, I don't want it. Nkam nwere nkam jine ezulum. Icho kam benge nyege ego. Ki weputa shower. Lie. You want to go? So the reason why I am telling you this, nkita ka abo bano loka. A shower ka aloro. So when she talks, you can see that all different spam over in her brain. What the signs? She no guess. You can see when she open mouth, the kind of person she is. Yeah, with private chat, I'll you go. Yeah, no, now I want to. I her level of reasoning.
The unboxing video will make me happy to please me because I couldn't make it to China with him. So
watch her brain.
That's it. So when I post it, don't come on my comments to tell me, must put everything on social media, must put everything on Facebook. Because it's not easy for your man to buy you a lot of goodies. A full box of goodies. A whole lot. Shoes, hair, bag, everything inside it. So
Uche Ada Nebisi, listen to me. If Nachogodi him get date, come a major date a blind man, am I here? Date a crippled man, am I here? I don't date idiots. Jpac cannot even speak when I speak. I'm not this room or one idiot that I used to be Jpac girlfriend. You got Jpac before. Have I seen Jpac before? Idiots. All of you guys are gullibles. And when came my fair? Brain unudi. Jpac or Gekulo when I enter. Ojatom. Iwonyara. A dirty man in a swam after I'm crying on your town. Ask girlfriends. He stinks. Imagine, get him not just because many shena support but they did not notice it very well. On your many shena sonike, why wouldn't it smell? And I made date Jpac and Jpac afford me. Iwonyara. What is the problem? Oh, get what the problem. I wouldn't know what. You come where you take your time, you go through the page and find out what is the problem. Can I join here with the problem? That is why you guys insult yourselves for no reason. Shemu, I'm gonna get back from my boyfriend before. Are you not? Are you okay? Or when you have a issue? What can get dating? A man who single reputation for him for his life. I want to hear about and about something niche. Oga lu onye dikaya. Oga lu onye apare like him. Are you daft? You just such questions.
You guys should expect it. Asodoku, yes. The real Asodoku.
Then the brain on your mind.
Not the Asodokus with the abroad and such as selling in the Nagadook and Nagadomanike. I'm going to pass the way I don't know. I'm going to enjoy the 247.
It's the same person, the useless charge and bed ya na agbapo shi yashimba to stop this one na ide hard o onye shi na eri ego onye shi na anyi na enyichi ike shi o to stop our shower day hard o guys. Can I give a round of applause to all my women, to all my Igbo women that are doing magnificent well n'obodo Igbo by cleaning good shit. Hold on. Oh yeah, Michael Otila. You want to go? By cleaning with dignity and pride. I want to naked myself so you can pay me. Please come to WhatsApp, come to private place so you can pay me. I am proud of you all. I am proud of you all that have kept and still keeping your dignity intact without allowing a prostitute like this one to be your history. Yes, I ain't a cleaning shit with rights, with dignities, with pride, with the ego share. Give me like this, okay, make it boom, boom, boom. That you did not open your ass at every given minute for any man. Look at you. You can't even. You don't want it. And when we hear Keteregi, na church, eba shawo ba na church, na club. Oh, can't we be judge to legi? Geja they go home. The way anything it get, you know, sabi cook. The only thing I'm fine. That is it. That is it. Igara, Eva, you can request to join me live because you can request to join me live. Very important because I'm Egypt. You can request to join me live. Please, very, very important. Request here to join me live. Actually, can request here. Can you tell Luani how this person happened to Jpac neighbor? Ya choro woke poor. Ya choro woke tigi shi. Guy ba jerena. You want to go? You can request to join.
Later inside it. So
You want to go?
you guys should expect it.
You can request. They want them matter. How this prostitute do in a bank? Player.
Not the also goes with the abroad and such as so in the Nagat working and get one in the Open a pass of the way I'm on the I'm doing a job 247. They joy out of them on the motor. If the motor joy, but they have Canada. If I never pass of the Christian. Can't you know? I bet I fight you. I'm going to see one. If you're California, if you're Odogo or Odogo, Asodogo, whatever, you can know Nigeria. In this Tinubu regime, that's the main deal. That's the real Odogo. That's the main about that's such a speak. The question. I'm at work. Sorry, I'm at work. Sorry, I'm going to work. Sorry, I'm driving to work. Sorry, I'm coming back from work. You would draw away. So the one all 247. So the word because me personally, my next year I'm resuming my business.
Rosemary, congratulations, my dear. Let me pin it down.
So I can listen because no I'm going to look for work. No ball packet market. So as I was saying, don't tell me go and look for work. I do my MS 9 to 5. I look for 9 to 5 before now, and I know what it feels like. And I'll tell you for a fact that 9 to 5 is not the real deal. It's not the in thing right now. For me, business is the real deal. Business is the in thing. No matter how small, no matter how little. Yeah. So before now, I work in Abuja. I did a 9 to 5. I worked for a private.
She no get job, oh. She never work nowhere. Everything na lie. She no work nothing, no job. Oh. Now show what she do. She no work nothing. She deceived Jpac, say she get work. Lie. When Jpac go work now, go do work now. But then all the go late. What go their family or community go make go die. She no get job. Her job was prostitution. I told you guys how Jpac met this Ashawo. You want to go? How Jpac made this Ashawo? Na club Jpac decided to pay and carry the baby go home. Ask anybody when know Jpac, anywhere Jpac know they miss Ashawo. Jpac they carry Ashawo every night. Even Morgan or Super, a friend of mine, even Jpac in a book, different size. I don't a book extra large. So what I pick is here. What did I tell? Eva is my witness. This girl na Egypt to happen. But Eva, come add because Eva is who I asked to join me. I don't know, but you until okay, we are waiting for welcome. But they go kill me. That's very true. Eva request now. Can't you join? I don't know what's going on. Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, hello? Hello? Oh, you want to go? So, when you the car, somebody is lying against him. They buy ya. What is all this? Stop. What is all this? Stop. On a been other women are shower. Why lawyer was J or a shower babatanolo? Why am I just pronke babatanolo? Why am I just pronke enter house? So, now, what are you trying to tell us? Now, listen. I'm going to got Bogun now. Get I gave podcast to Jpac.
A lot of land that I urge for my son will acquire the property. Some of the property where my son got the mark before I know be wine can know now. There's a baby on a chamoko. No wine. Was a good case I know why.
Daisy Empire or Mataragi win. Daisy Empire or Mataragi win. No, Jachagoko na Jpac. You can lie for Africa. You can lie and the worst thing you look for people to blame. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yeah. Okay,
How are
Shafon.
you? I'm fine, sir.
I'm
Okay,
good. I'm good.
Good evening, sir. Good afternoon.
Afternoon,
I didn't master.
I thank God. Man.
And when can I mean a Becky Shan on your own?
Yes, in France, Abo.
Okay, my brother, you're welcome.
Go Sada.
They want to go shout down.
We went to n'ime na ọ na-ekwu ada ka na-abịa na social media inwego ọnụ de iso na promo rafụzia Jpac ọnụ omejọ gbaghalịa anyị nchawu ndị Igbo ihe akwa new marriage nna afụ iso asụwa ọkụma na forgetizie ya understand gbaghalịfa ọnụ omejọ gbaghalị ọnụ na-ekwu ada ka ewu.
Okay. My brother, I don't go me here. You got one jump gini we.
Kamkuche. Ora na nna yo na mponyo no bezon.
Okay.
No bezon no marriage yo. We can say you obu no me. Give bagalizia, give withdraw. You understand? Give withdraw. You understand? I'm a no saga man co-follower. Nah, you guys, you're not na deep or something like that. You understand? You understand?
My brother. Okay. No. How can I wear like you now? If I wear like you, we share them no manner. I cannot wear like you. But I actually and I had Joe football on my. What I go? And then I like people like you that they will come in and give their humble opinion and also how they feel about what is happening. What I go? Now, in a year 2019 through 2020, I lost my father. Na COVID.
Yes.
Now, that my father I lose when we got the information. Even even my husband gara visit ya gwa na kwa gwara ya gba this vaccine, especially people that are old na na agba to prevent, because this COVID different strange abia. One strange, one strange, two. My husband and I like because he's a medical doctor. My husband aware that even in Nigeria, na this vaccine that's when I get batara na emisi. Ya bia no obodo, the original thing na apata. Aga through series. Na ya go ogwo my father shimba. Na Krista economy. No gbara ha. Bala iwatala nde member. So my father again hunting. Along the process, my father now, my father Jpac Chatt picture. My father just to say picture.
Yes.
My father was lying in my father just me. Jpac, Mama Senteria, picture my father. You understand what I mean? Jpac already said, when he made Jpac, Jpac put picture my father, but not only video ya him save phone ma hefuola. Ọ dabara na mmiri ya emebie. Jpac put picture man pam. Be na agba m wo mgbe m na am on my father. Mgbe m na am on mgbe me nwe hu donu ịbịa challenge Jpac. Jpac had to tell the world ihe ma achọ hu ka ha mara. My brother, anom n'ihu agha. Ihe me ego ihe niile ka ị ga-ebupute.
Okay,
good evening. Are we any neck gebupute? Ihe mere emume ejie ya. Nọrọkwa n'ihu anya na-efesi ndị na-efesi m. Amara na Jpac were the pioneers of Palace of Fools. Jpac put the thing in the post to ascend. Not only that opposuru ya, ye bunye ya ndị na-agba m war. There's a video. What a useless woman. Nna gị nwụrụ. You did not know that your father nwụrụ. Nna gị hụ video anya mmiri ga-agba gị. I ignored him.
Okay. Because
Huh? Okay. Okay, go ahead. Sorry, go ahead.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Sorry. And my sister, Chereko, Puchashana, Okay,
Good morning, because Igbo to my brother. My brother, good morning, sir.
My sister,
because Chereko, Puchage, Biko, hold go on, Biko, Chereko.
Sister Oge, Ross, ekelekwara gị ịma na anyị chama mgbe ihe Palace of Justice a mere wọtago. Anyị dị active mgbe ihe Palace of Justice a mere, kama na amam ihe butere this fight na megeketa. Ihe butere this fight megeketa na wụ na Jpac ada anụ ntị wọtago. Somebody na anụ ntị. Enwere mgbe friendship in this life, friendship awụhụ must na gị na mmadụ ga-adị na mma forever. And gị na mmadụ so okwu ịghọtago, gị na mmadụ so okwu, you try to move on ịghọtago, gị move on. Mana Jpac achọgaghị move on ịghọtago. Ihe niile butere ihe awụ dragging. Left for ihe gbasara ibupụta picture mpụ oge echi. Ama m n'oge forgive go the thing tete ịghọtago, mana enweghị ihe ga-emezi mmadụ, enweghị ihe ga-emewozi. Then mmadụ ewerezie ihe mere ya before werezie ya kagide aka gbawa gị wọ ịghọtago, ọha emeghị ha nkịta. So my humble advice na-enyekwa oge wụ ịmago na this problem, this thing pụtara kịta na ọ ga-abịa na nwee so many branches, and branches ahụ nwege apụtawala small fọdụ mpaka apụtara. Before you know it, onye ọzọ apụtakwa. The thing na-abịaba pụtawara anyị nsogbu. Anyị awụhụ ndị mbụ bidoro this Facebook, ama m nke ndị Igbo anyị ji enye gị problem so much. So my humble advice bụ oge forgive Jpac, then but let Jpac move on. Jpac, you said you're no longer Onyoka, or you're no longer a member of Zion ministry. Allow the ministry be. Allow Zion ministry to be. Allow Akuzion. You're no longer working for Akuzion. Allow the young man to be. I don't know what you will gain more than the man business food tomorrow. Because here this thing, let us be sincere. Here this problem. We are no longer with Zion. We are no longer with Zolobitas. Allow the man to allow the Zolobitas, allow the man to be. What will you gain in destroying this man with lies? Allow the guy to be. Allow, since you're no longer working for Ebukobi or you're no longer supporting, and I'm going to achieve no Ebukobi employed to work for him, but he just volunteer the thing. So why not allow the man? You could say, man, the 100 days. You're being the ministry indirectly. You're mocking the ministry indirectly. And by so doing, in a provoke one day, not the ministry. On the belief not the ministry. You're provoking them. When you want to talk, you see, man, they make 100 days. Mandoka. You are provoking, you gotta provoke Marcia Ariatla to it. Since Ipola the ministry, allow the ministry be, allow them to have their peace. Allow yes, so allow the ministry. Because he have marriage or for second chance. Give them second chance. See if he will amend. Because I'm come na Oronya my hoga my put this thing no yam ne kuka put this thing. So Onoga egeremunti. Just let him be on his own. If you are for in the Dibia, just be for your Dibia. Do your content and allow Ebukobi and the Zolobitas to be. Knowing him, but allow these people to be. They believe in Nagam with peace. So I'm still begging because Kai Haribe destroy woman. I just forgive for now. Forgive for now, Biko, my sister. Biko, I'm begging you. Can you have a drag we become more drag one also? Biko, I'm begging you.
Okay, my brother Puchana, appreciate you going on. Don't in a comment section. Come reply. Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you.
Okay.
Good morning.
First of all. So, I'm sorry to say this. I respect men a lot, man. How put on a public? Achom kahane me onu na-ekwu eziokwu. Before you want mmadụ biko kwaghalụ.
Nnukwu nwanyị.
Biko
nnukwu nwanyị.
Chere ka okwucha nwere na-ekwu okwu biko. Chere ka okwucha biko.
Udo dị nnukwu nwanyị.
So, ịpụta ịgwa mmadụ ihe. First of all, ihe niile a mere oge echi na Facebook a everybody follow ya, onye ọbụla follow ya, onye follow ya, unless more onye achọrọ ikwu eziokwu. Now, Jpac made all these things niile. How many platforms ụmụ nwoke may go or videos ha may go condemn more this action Jpac took in the last. Afube ụmụ nwoke onye pụtabu onu mee video on their own condemn ọnya. See, okay, Jpac na ihe anyị mere bụ alụ n'ala Igbo. Mgbe nwoke mmadụ kubili on his last bed, n'elu bed, na makwa ihe ọ maka na n'elu tube mmadụ. Onye mmadụ na-anwụ na rube will not understand the feeling of somebody that is mourning. Unu wepụta mpa mmadụ mechie ihe unu mere. Ihe niile akwụsị. Okay, Jpac ka bidokwa ihe niile na-emekịta now. Emere m ụmụ nwoke Igbo anyị expect. Ijigodo pịa Jpac ezigbo ụtalị. After Jpac ezigbo ụtalị oge echi nwere anya oge echi na-afụ ụzọ. It will now melt Ogechi's heart to begin to say, okay, that our men has come out and they are condemning it. Now I can begin to think of forgiving. But people for and the other day, one the same person. Bido n'isi wee mesie enye ọfụma sie mesinye from enu because no working na nwaanyị na-enwe nsogbu all the partial. So actually ikwu okwu a I can't waste but because afọ ebe that's my brother na-aga ọ bụkwa na ihe ọ na-ekwu bụ bad thing o but ọ na-adị mma ịchọrọ imezi ihe bido from the down wee mezie enye pụtagodo n'opịa Jpac ezigbo ụtalị n'ihe o mere I've not seen it. I've been here. Just that I say, okay. No, she's a human being. She's a mother. She's somebody's wife. Is it because she's strong? Is it because who can take what this lady has taken from Facebook and from all these people? The so-called Jpac has called numerous women prostitutes on this social media. We all saw it. Oluzekita anaba nwunye anakpọtụ nwunye nke onye ọbụla repụtasị a na-ekwu. No, I think I say emeziokwu. Emeziokwu she bido from now we mezie. I want to see Jpac's punishment first before anything will happen. I am standing for Ogechi, and that is where I stand. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Nne. My brother, I nwere ike ikwu.
Nnukwu nwanyị.
Ndewo, how are you?
Awachikatago program. Awachikatago program. Asị na ma awachikatago program ga awachikata. Wesị na ebu nnukwu mmanwụ a na-agba nkiri. Ịma na ihe na-eme sometimes ndị be anyị ada like eziokwu. That is one thing. That is one problem I will. And I na like ide eme ihe ka e wee sịkwa. Jpac in the now today. People be forget no nwere mgbe ọ gba gị bụ mmadụ saga. Nke bụ na o butere ozu your father online wele gba gị saga. People forget about it. So now they are talking about the one in a hard drag here now. Which is everybody na-ejizi because of nọnụrụ nwaanyị ọfụ welezie na-ekwu okwu. Ụfọdụ pụta asị na nọnụrụ nwaanyị ọfụ ya envy him that because nọnụrụ nwaanyị ọfụlụ this and that and this, which is not the real truth. Enwere video mmele kwuo sị na ndị Southeast all the local Southeast bloggers ndị agụrụ juchara na Southeast bloggers okwu ikwufutere they never carry it because na Jpac nwere ike ọ bụ na ọtụkego ha 10,000 naira. They keep quiet. They kept quiet on it. You understand? They kept quiet. They don't want to block the news. And all of them know the truth. All of them, from A to Z, they know the truth, which they don't want to talk about it. Okay, now, what they do is that they go bring out the old video, which is that video where Zion Ministry and this thing, I'm misunderstanding that time. Yes. That video.
Almost get it to 1 year. 1 year video.
You understand? They go bring it out to use it to distract people's attention. When you're against you, that is what they do. So, if you Jpac get mmụọ tinyere ọzọ because ọ na-like drag mmadụ a drag anya now onye ọbụla agbagharịba ihe a na-ekwusi m na onye ọbụla na-eji duto nwaanyị ọfụlụ ọnụrụ duto nwaanyị ọfụlụ ọnụrụ but only thing mụ onwe m debe feel too bad but ndị akpọrọ afa nwụchala anwụ that is where m feel too obele bed but one thing about it is now Jpac in anya adro mma forgive because he got to the video nwechara afụcha m ndị be anyị na ya sị gbalị onye anyị fụrụ bụ mma ihu na abụ ndị na-akpọ ya wee bele face self na-emedụrụ ya ebele ọ mụnwa ihu na abụ ka ọwụ ịghọtago nwoke na-eme ka nwaanyị na-ekwu ka nwaanyị enwere a lot of evidence gị nwa na onwe gị bupụtachara ebe a people afụrụ ya buo ya a na-ezogharị ya ịghọtago na-epụta na-ebupụta nwoke ibe gị na-akọ ka nwaanyị ọ kwesịrị ekwesị so nne m okwu m na-agwadebe gị bụ drag ya to the end. Space. I trust you. Drag ya to the end. You want to go? Etu anu ono kita anu aru na mu ya biribiri. Because someone na okwu pam. Egwa ya nke okwese no. So we go see them no. No me jisika. You want to go? I follow you. We I'm na ebu here. I can ebu the news. I can ebu here. I can anu. Ha actually no they will be hearing it.
Yes, my brother.
They will be hearing it.
Thank you.
Will be carrying it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I don't with my sister. Okay,
all right, my brother. Come on,
okay, sharp, yeah. Sharp. Okay, sharp, okay.
Chineke gozie unu those that speaking the truth. Ideko, okay, come on again. Okay. Go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Ihe ntị ikwu bụ na ikpe adịrọ mma ka ikpe ya. Onye agara anyị onye na-akpọ ntụ gara anyị ụlọ ọgwụ ọkwa bata from China
ebe Jpac mana onye wepụtara picture mgbe nna gị hapụrụ What is stopping Jpac? Peace, what is stopping him from approaching you to admit that okay, I made a mistake, idiot, and then then give you time to heal. What is stopping all these our people that are here telling you to leave and leave? In Arapu Jpac, if you go remorse for what he did. Rather, Jpac went in and brought the wife outside to come and sag. Ogechi, dobie ya pipe. Again, Jpac was somebody now underground very well.
Onye mụ na ya nọ na mma very well.
Jpac to an extent, na no be tired. Jpac will start working on the ground.
Ọ na-arụ underground mgbe dọrọ ya mgbe dọnwe ọ ga na-arụ
No leave am. No leave am. Even though if nwunye adobie ya, do ya ka jen old generator. Do ya very well.
Thank you, my brother. Chineke gozie gị. Bye bye. Chineke go.
Okay.
Go ahead, my brother. Ndị na amami emega network unu. Cheke enu network unu. Kwuwe.
Ihe ntị ikwu bụ na ọkụkọ anaghị kasị na ọbọgụ me travel. Jpac na-eme ọ na-ekwukọ okwu nke akara ya. Nwaanyị na-adọ gị weje na-akpọtara nwaanyị ofu nwaanyị. Ị na-erutere ihe ụmụ nwoke niile nọ na social media ofu mkpụrụ nwaanyị. Ka na-edukọchala onye a na-eji akwụrụ ụgwọ ofu mkpụrụ nwaanyị. Jpac ifere megbuo ofu mkpụrụ nwaanyị. Adọkọ nwaanyị abụọ ofu mkpụrụ a na-edukọrọ ihe niile nọ na Naịjirịa. Emecha kpọwa ma Karafia Bishop nke ahụ ezuru orie ndị na-ewu nke ahụ ezuru orie kịta nwa wụzi ndị tisiri eti ka ị na-eji akpọ ndị tiri eti ọ bụla ndị tiri eti oge ihe ọzọ nche ịgwa gị biko this guy na-aza Abonyi son nke Abakaliki onye nze afọ da amata ya ihe na onye ahụ ọ na igwe onye ahụ okwu ọ privilege to nyanwa lapụgoro onye a ya dịrọ na list gị na nke anọ Sweden nke mpa mmadụ ameche confess wasi na ebuko prophecy ọrụ ịgwa ndị okwu oge na-ewute m lapụ ndị ekwesịrị dị na agenda gị ndị a ga-akpa aka leta ọkwa inwe friji ebe ị na-ejere tie fọkọpụ mmadụ ọ nọ 7 years ekpochite ọkwa inwe friji ahụ mebigo kpụrụ fọkọpụ ndị a wee n'ime friji ahụ gabala onwe gị street enu ndị na-etrit pụzi anụ ihe ọta Jpac ga na-achọ ịgwa Jpac bata from China China na-abịa ịga labụ ọ lapụzi labụ nwa gba mmanya ebe ọ dị ịbịazi labụ Jpac labụ a dị anyị mkpa labụ ahụ dị anyị mkpa ka anyị na-enye ike ma oye oye o mechiri emechi Jpac ọkpọ ntu Bobrisky kere ebe ị nọ Bobrisky kere ebe ị nọ bịa na ele anyị labụ a labụ a dị anyị mkpa ọsọkwa gị na nwunye gị yiri up and down wee nyiche na ọkpa enu ọsọkwa gị na nwunye gị yiri up and down wee nyiche bụ na enu anyị achọrọ ịma ịghọta ihe anyị madebe gị na nwunye gị ihe anyị madebe bụ bịa meela anyị labụ biko ihe gbasara nwunye Jpac ọ dị anyị mkpa emechasi na-ewepụta ama na ị na-ewepụta ya 1-1 ama m onye bụ na ijichi ihe a niile ewepụta ya ọma nwunye Jpac na-agụ asọ mmiri nwunye odogwu na-enwere ya ọpas nwunye odogwu a na-enye 50,000 100,000 ejide na polisi ebe lụọ nwunye odogwu enweta n'ọdụ asawo nwunye odogwu enwere ihe ọ na-alụ ozu ka ịbụ onye onye na-aga obodo ije rụọ na kọmpanị n'obu ọkwa nsị ahụ ka ọ na-evu n'anya 2024 Mazdays ọkwa nsị ahụ ifere emegbuo oge ozu nwụrụ nwaanyị ibe gị ka ị na-agwa na ọ na-alụ ọrụ echa m echiche ya na ọ na-agba asawo isi na ịma ekwu okwu isi na ọ na-alụ ọrụ damis ọ na-alụ legit ka ọ na-alụ ozu nwụrụ ịmara ekwu okwu bịa gbasaga onye amara ekwu okwu na-agbasaga ifụrụgo onye amara ekwu okwu na-agbasaga keep quiet ọ dị mgbara agbasaga n'ọrụ ofu ebe imechi ọnụ ba ime ọnụ konsol nwekwe dị gị ka isa konsol ya dị gị ike agwụgwụ akwa dị gị si na ọ na-ekwuru ọla ọkwa ndị gị bụ ABI akwụọ ọzọ nkatọ na-agbagbuo ya eji akpọkwa ndị niile ọ na-akpọ bịawa oge echi nọkwa na-echi o nwere ike ka okwu ama akwụsị ị ga-agara anyị labụ anyị ga-akọnfam gị n'ụlọ ọgwụ anyị kọnfam chazie gị adịgatọ nwunye gị nwere n'ọdụ ashawo ka na enwere n'ọdụ ashawo onye ike na-eri ka pọmpụ ka na-abịa ị chọrọ gị na nwunye gị yi ọpanda meela ya obodo taa anyị si nnu ọfụma
Okay,
ka anyị gbafuru n'ime
Jpac
ụlọ
himself.
kịta ka ọ bawa ga-alụ ihe na-eme gosi na nwaanyị na-agba saga na-aba ga nene nwaanyị ifere anaghị ekwe m kweta na nwaanyị na-agba nwoke saga ọ bụrụ nwaanyị jide gụgasị na igbe FBI ojide gị n'ọrụ na-adọ gị ka ọ dọgbuo isi China bata bịara izila ya up and down ifte gị aba na-ere mmanya tọnda gbagbukwe gị Jpac ike gị na-eri eri ị ga-akarịrị ụlọ ọgwụ Jpac ị ga na-alụ ụlọ ọgwụ mmechizi ọnụ n'ihe a oge eji mụ na nkịta ụlọ ọgwụ a isi China bata ka ị bịa gụọ ụlọ ọgwụ ịbata China ka ị bịa yiwe up and down onye bịa ị na-ezuzu ezuzu ị na-ezuzu ezuzu
guys, this program because
agụ nwaanyị na-eche na gịnị mere maka nke oyiche Jpac ndị na ọda na soshal midia mmadụ one ka onye dị ebe ahụ bụ na oge onwere onye a na-agba alụ ebe a kịta ka saga bido kịta ka saga tọrọ ụtọ kịta saga eset gị ọfụma Jpac
Peter chere somebody chọrọ ikwu okwu mgbakwu ị nọ na speaker kwuwe.
Okay, good. Mgbe m for my brother Papa n'ime the conference room mgbe ị na-eme live program brother Mike biko onwe ofufe nchọ iyo asịsa sister Ogechi na-arapụ Jpac is a very useless person. In a very useless person. Jpac one time mbata na life ọ mụrụ onye mbụ ọ just because not for na so sister Ogechi ọ kpọrọ ma ashawo.
Thank you.
Bro Mike ọ nụmara be nna m the so-called useless wife na no bunyo do I go to Nigeria happy high na ko ya ni na ko macha na paligar it was going to go na wedding one name imam
wedding
oh this iha hame committee of friends atoli ego so no hiji happy hi na eme. Everyone's going on uncle born only he Jpac. Me and you we know Jpac cannot satisfy you. So I have much in a child. Jpac cannot satisfy you. Number one, you go very deep. Yes. So how long do you know what with Jpac? How come you are not yet pregnant? Because if you are part-time, one is supposed to go to clean with that. So go and don't continue. Come and face me. Come and face me, then you drag him. She like a small uncle. This bastard. Look at them, no. If I see Nigeria Doma. What's in Nigeria Doma? So many people want to travel out. It's in Nigeria Doma. They don't even know those. On my here, when the others came out. So get lost. Get lost. Because Lena is not good. She stop that and please withdraw that statement. Please withdraw it. Understand babies don't what? Who is Jpac?
There is no peace for Jpac.
One election. Now Mama put with me. So who is he? Only who is the punch Adoka? Who is Jpac? Only who Jpac? Only Anna Contuniki. Anna Coaco. Who is that? Okay. I wouldn't want to claim Sinai he should come and debunk it or J test. The so-called Ifan Yuvan upon anyone let none the time. Only who is open to Adoka. What is all this? What is all this? If I go around the on upon to Nika, on upon to Nika. That is what I said. She's not bye bye people.
Hello, sister. Okay, please let me say something. Can you hear me?
Yeah,
okay. My point is this. First of all, there is no peace for Jpac. That is it. Because this guy na on social media now drag people's wives. Dragging people up and down, and you all are here supporting if you now say we should leave him for what? Now let me make this clear. Ono chetara mgbe Jpac gbara nwaanyị Imo saga na-akpọ nwaanyị Imo ashawo.
Exactly.
Today said that Today said that Jpac nwaanyị Imo came out that time and said that Jpac gara na group ya na di ya no. Now meeting. I don't know all this. I don't know this meeting.
Exactly.
Ya na Jpac. Gana akota ha nwaanyị Imo na meeting di ya na ndoti ya no.
If I request again, network will get the bad. It's better network.
And all of you are forgetting so soon how this useless work how many Jpac na bari umwai in Igbo nile, and all of you are closing your mouth supporting evil.
Because all
of you that are supporting Jpac, your job are autonomy.
it's all my can.
Now, Now let me say this. This guy named Ezobi. Ezobi na Jpac Barasaga. Ezobi stated it. He made it that time Jpac got Dubai. He stated it na Jpac na want to. Now all of you did not say anything. Now Jpac na that guy na abandoned the video. That fourth guy be drove on the video.
Okongu.
No, not Okongu. The first guy that started it.
You mean Waga?
No, not Waga. That guy is very slim. Yana Jpac about a war because.
Oh, you mean Waga G? Okay, can make on a stammer.
The guy is a stammerer. Yeah.
Okay.
That guy also called Jpac Gabriel. Now, why is it now?
Eva, what is going on with your network?
Why is it no go? Why is it no go? Why is it no go?
My brother, you continue. Thank you, man. How are you, sir?
I'm okay. I'm fine. Am I Nilu Anaba?
Nagan.
Okay, Nilu now.
Make it full and because you train.
You can see my room now to go about today, and it's been a long time.
Man, he really too much money, and I may recognize his Hugina. Magiria too, you like a dress, they can not plane today. He really too much money. I'm where will you wait?
But a long time from this guy in Canberra, Kwana Toki, from there to to Nkechi Benko. More put our life over there. Ebe ga Nkechi Benko no life see owa na n'ime like ya no he bekita na ada me ba itielu no am unu ka ye dozi ma ye ji beba keta na ewe hem chọrọ ikwu no ebe ọ bụ ye niile mmele uti Nkechi Benko rumesa we dozie I swear unu bido ha ya unu bido ọgbata na dị mechelu no ya m chọrọ bekita na ewe ye m ji bịa Ogechukwu you know I love you so much, right?
And I love you too, my brother.
Good. Biko. Mata ihe ọ bụla ịma na mentality anyị na anyị nwa n'obodo na-anọghị Nigeria na ndị ebe anyị abụ n'ofu. At times, onye ọbụla believe in God, believe na Chineke na-adị ekpere. Mana biko. Anyị hapụgoro saga for now. Let's just know what go kwad nwanne m nwaanyị. Ọ bụla m jita let number, I wouldn't have come live now. I will just tell you. Biko. Ihe ọbụla a na-ekwu. Kwefuru kesi nke Mbaka oge biko pụtawa biko.
Okay, my brother, Chenuma akọwara m ihe gbasara Mbaka.
Nna baka nkwucha nna adịkọm. Ọ bụla ma eme na ka nje bata. My main name bụ Mbaka na China. O ibe ji malụ m.
Okay.
You get the point ba. Biko. This case of Mbaka something. Mwa man ihe emego before. Obulo kita ka ome. Ihe bụ voice note before. I know say no be now it happen. Me I know that one. Mana biko, what I needed from you, you will not remove anything from your hand from here again. I got that you private. You not going to remove anything from you. I'm looking for this case in Mbaka. Biko. Umeka yesu me ya ka the case die ya see me ya. I'm very very happy. I didn't make clear because of number one adoration. I'm saying it because of na. Enwelu. So many things that are happening. When you open up a priest of God, I'm a born Catholic. I'll expect that. When you open up a priest of God, then we'll manage telufa. I don't can ever care on that one. Pico. Mani case in Mbaka when you have putowa. Mbaka when you have putowa, you say, what I hope you open a melunu. Bishop of Enugu know what I'm saying now. When Adam one because before I love so much, I'm looking for this issue of Mbaka Biko
My brother, I don't even know why you're telling me this because I wasn't the one that brought Mbaka case up. I know when this thing made almost a year because of Namna Jpac Biaka ile Ikege exam. Ebony lost son bleaching cream collected 500,000 from Jpac. Wagara collected 500,000. Top minus zero useless O collected 500,000 from Jpac. They went and dig out past video and posted it on their wall, trying to confuse the gullible followers. It was meaning. Mbaka put about to me recently. While when Mbaka said this was when Mona Jpac, ex-convict, Governor Onyoshi, we are defending Zion. Here a long video. How to distract the whole people. Ebony son and Jpac were meeting. They went and covered this short video. So I have not seen that video. God in heaven bear me witness. I swear upon me and everything God will bless him. If not that all that very day, Ebony lost son posted that video. Come on that video. Can you know I'm not trying to work God to take it away from me? Somebody sent me that video and that was a live program. So no. I read the caption, Ebony son, that thing provoked me. So I spoke out of anger on a live program. But as time goes on, people started calling me. No, okay, yeah, video Mpaka Mary, and not all of you, but they cut off that little part. Oh, this was a video actually that distract here, because if Jpac is looking for every means for me to leave him alone. He's looking for every source. All propagandas. Ebony lost some bit of put away my old videos. This is just Sago Manj. What I go? So I am to made the video. Go and watch the video I posted. I said, Ndamla Behu here from Baka. I need to clear the air. And when Baki Pugana, I went for Kosorum Jpac. I'm not discussing apart from Baka. So if you want to talk about people you should, but you should go to Ebony Lost Bleaching Sun. You should go to Jpac where Belle Face and all the people that brought it up, because I will start bringing out here Jpac people Baka. Where this thing came out from. So and when we hear Basara Baka, and when you hear Basara Baka, they just want to put Mbaka in the case. Nothing concerning Mbaka. Nothing. This video will almost a year now. They just want to use it to deceive gullible one. So my brother, anything. I'm not insulting Mbaka. I'm not saying anything. Just I wanted to use it to clear them, mother. That's all. Thank you.
It's okay. Please let me say something before I will forget.
Okay, go ahead.
When saga, all of us, I want Wundishi saga. So we are the
okay, my brother. Thank you, my brother. Go ahead,
Now, Sitoge Ichetara that day made a live video when you were having issues with Onyo Obodo. One guy called it. Jpac was on that live program with you. One guy called him. He made a statement. He said that now, and when one man not like also Enugu, he made mention of Enugu. That guy called in at that program, and Jpac was on that live program with you. The guy said that never when one man no Enugu no like a guy based on Gabriel something.
Okay. Yeah.
The guy said that the man no like here, even the man promised to give him money,
exactly.
Something like that.
You're right.
Yes. Now the guy said that no onye obodo koso onye obodo bia si na azu ya ga napu ya the man.
Exactly.
Making us to believe that the guy made us to believe that no onye obodo na onto.
Thank you.
On the other hand, supported what that guy said by saying that by concurring to the
video.
Jpac concord that nezoku that no onye obodo na onto. Now, why is Orole turning and he's trying to play emotional blackmail?
I think I told him that video can copy that side.
It was on your live program that day.
That boy Iboro. Na ya gara aga meet obodo less man, amu less man. Go wetere ya. Go the man ikwere ya na nkwa after sleeping.
Exactly. Yes. Now the man, now the guy is that now the man promised me go job on fire the hospital.
You are right.
Jpac supported what that he concurred to what that guy said by
You are
calling
right.
Onyo Obodo Gabriel. So why is Oroleton ya now? Is she afọ na-ebu utu afọ ya ahụ ga-agbawado one day. Yeah, pota trying to play emotional blackmail. Like he's trying to like emotionally blackmail all of us.
I don't know what is wrong with some people's network. I've been trying to add all of you. We are not
gonna buy that. And now let me talk to Nwunye, also Nwunye Odogu, Nwunye the Jpac, aka also the self-acclaimed Nwunye Odogu. Let me talk to her. Self-acclaimed Nwunye Odogu. Don't even you open that your trash of a mouth to vomit rubbish because everybody, see, let me tell you something. I won't know get come on a Jpac meet that girl in a club. I have heard about this long time ago, and I know me. I didn't hear it from this Facebook, and I didn't hear it in a saga. I know me and a saga.
Network knows. The bad though. Make una check on our network. Everybody, Eva, I've been trying to add you. Other persons, I don't know. Make una switch network. Check another place. Biko. Hey, Jeno, my sister Jane Ichuku, I love you, sis. I hope you're doing well.
We a Jpac. A graduate na Abuja. Chronic one. She has graduated. Even offers this small onwe girls quarters organa apopo ụmụ ka ha na-aga anatara ya ego. That is the thing. So she should just shut up her trash. Now Jpac now said that this is ex-girlfriend or Angel what's her name? Pretty lady or first lady.
First lady. First lady.
First lady. Yeah, I think so. No, now first lady Jpac na maha. Also, first lady Anna Aron. Jpac, come out and tell us here with your wife's occupation.
Exactly.
If not prostitution.
Exactly.
Jpac, come out and tell us what your wife's occupation is. If not prostitution, Abuja. Who never knock your wife, Abuja?
Tell them
rubbish. Now let's see. Okay, let me tell you something. Let's assume that now that useless akuna we Jpac now no. I said when you're now since up on social media would have seen it now. Yes, now. One way or the other, she would have introduced her hand.
Like he said, look at what my wife is doing. Look at my wife name. My wife is this. My wife.
I don't even want to talk about Jpac in a matter.
Everybody that I'm adding now, I can't add you guys. I don't know.
I don't even want to talk about Jpac. My the bad things he did to people. I don't even want to go to that area. I don't even. Now that are joining hands to crucify you. We are not the one that crucified
idea. I can't add you.
These people we are the same sort of people that crucified Ifeanyi Uba when he was alive. Now see that he was the one that provided his plane. All of you now. All of you. Nah, Queen from Igbo. See, I'm a traveler. I travel a lot, but I have never even come out before on your home self. I know the talks I be Igbo because Igbos don't love them. I'm telling you the gospel truth. I travel a lot, but I've never. I know they mention I be Igbo. If you go himself, I know even Fuku resemble Nigerian self. I know they mention side because Igbos are very wicked. Like 80% of Igbos, they are very wicked. Onye hu nga na-emegbu nwanne instead ọ ga-apụtakwu eziokwu just because of ego enye ege ebia na-ekpuchi eziokwu. That Ebonyi lost son azụ mangala ahụ ọ ga-atọ ogwu ya ga-agbapụrụ ya n'okpu one day. Useless guy. Come on, he can't even complete a simple sentence.
Lie.
He cannot compose or construct a simple sentence.
Lie.
Because Facebook reason.
Facebook wize ebe a na-apụta onye pụta a na-akọrọ okay ọkwịsị wagaji kpọrọ gị aha wagaji no let us expose you no just let us expose you no just otu oge na-akpọrọ gị aha we are Oge's warrior and we know people's inner secrets wagaji keso wagagiri with ọnụ gị ahụ riri ọnụ
were ibe tomato tụrụ ehi
ọkwa mmiri mma his fellow content creators apụta he already exposed him. That's before he does any content with any girl. Oh, God, I want the girl, I want the person, I want the girl, I want the girl.
Are you serious?
I would dig out the girl.
That's why OJ will take him on. Hopeless thing.
The girl, okay, wait. The girl made a broadcast on the this guy, Odogu na Aisha, that's podcast now. That minimum girl they shoot to content. That girl wanna
yeah,
she made it. Yes, now she said it in the podcast. Now what gaji chorena we are just
anything that podcast. Anything.
I will look for it and send
look for it. Let's start digging all of them.
So wagaji don't even allow us to dig out because if this wagaji sister oge ndị niile ya na ya bidoro ma ndị na-enye ya ego mgbe ọ nọ na main market ime ọ na-agba ọsọ ahịa na main market before ma ndị niile na-enye ya ego na-help ya na main market before mana mgbe this guy bidoro nwetawe small money from this guy stopped talking like enwe ihe ya ebidozie na-ebulizi shoulder Omazi, people that fed him in that main market.
I'm not even useless anyway.
Wagaji kisa vagaji kisa. Just respect yourself because able to your data. You know go good for you. Just to tell his name that your rubbish content. Just be doing it and be going your way. On your blog now, do not mention Oge because we will come for you. There are people who genuinely and naturally love Oge. And when you love someone, you can do anything for the person. You can go extra mile. Make everybody respect themselves. Because when you're Oge, no column, we go face you.
Thank you. Multiple idea. I don't know what is wrong with you now. Thank you you spoke very well. Oh, wagara, you would have put an okay. It was weekend. No one anyway. You are what? But me, I can look at that fine girl. That girl let her know you're going out the hour. Very useless human beings. That is why you subjected your useless self. Your finished career. Because I want to have one in Ike. Idiot. Very useless, hopeless thing. Stupid, useless content creators. I'm at their level. I don't know how to mind their useless business. And you're hear my shower. Idiots. Hopeless thing. Hopeless things everywhere. Very hopeless, incompetent men. They are very useless. No one did as a wagra. Why won't you wagra lang? Pay wagra Igbo nyara le kuihugi. Otu ukwu gị haka onye nwere elephantiasis. Otu imi gị haka onye nwere elephantiasis. Ị na-abịa manyere m ọnụ na mma onye egwu na mụ na gị nwere business. Ị na-awaga ọnwụ ime ikpu onye ara ka ị ga-awapụ apụ. Ke hụrụ unu ya eche na ewu mmadụ. Enyere gị common 10,000 naira gana ije eme advertise mmanya ga na-awụgharị ka oke ọhịa. Na-awụgharị ka oke ọhịa okebe gị okepụ usu na nwere dị na-achụ n'ime ọhịa. Idiot. The content creators. Idiot. Unu were ring light. What can I use ring light in my video? Ring light man. Man in the use ring light. Idiots. It's unu set here ring light. Can I leg it? Ring lights. Idiots. Ito wakari hu konya kuru timbanta ya kubuku onweki. Ina be manyo. Wete ina kanguwa. How want you woro? Oh yeah, no. Emanashi, Emanabi, Hanako, Emano, how would the men people not commit the crime? Idiot. All the cancana or Agobo, Nketa by radio Kajanaka. Your program is tomorrow. I will bury you tomorrow. I'm because join him tomorrow. He's begging and crying for money. You want me to you want to use me and start your dead career? You're already a dead man. You're already they don't want to have been receiving calls. I've been asking if somebody has to send me a message, Mama Palanwa Pogo player. I will play it. Mama Palanwa Pogo. Don't worry, tomorrow program not tomorrow. I got my piagia. You never they do rest in peace video. You never they do rest in peace video. He gave me he never see anything. He gave me rest in peace video. He share about don't worry. He got machaga pupute. He got machaga guarantee G-Wagon put a blue up. Ija be pleased. I pay the Gisak Canabare. Sir, Matane fast. I don't go leave you now. I don't know. All of you are bitter. Problem between me and Jpac has nothing to do with none of you. I did not mention all of you. You guys were not there. What brought all of you miserable, useless men into what I'm talking with Jpac? Ndala. Foolish idiots. Now, Jpac Potara. Biamena video na suspension 3 months or 2 months, right? Get the door that post. That appointment post I hope 3 days. Now, this is our Kona Lagos na Zion ground. Onye chwana na abasaga o. Lekwa ako na ota. Ono de na men ota o. Ono de na men ota. Apaya the same akunu sinenye na suspension. Na akunu na huya. Akunu na huya. How demonic Jpac is. Akunu na huya. Akunu na huya suspension ebe ono n'elu ọta. Akunu na onye nyere suspension ebe ono n'elu ọta. Enu ebe ono n'elu ọta. Ọ onye nyere suspension o. Jpac will come out. I don't do saga. I don't do saga. You keep lying and lying and lying against people. This is what you are good at. You a fabricator, you a liar, you a manipulator, you a demon. You a demon. And that you be shiki kaporopiati. Na come kega no kaya. I will not disrespect anybody, guys. Okay, he did my brother will respect you, my sister will respect you, go your way. But I probably want you to make a decision no more. You guys are go and relax. You guys are not even hitting the point. Jpac went and brought my dad. Nobody is talking about that. You know them bawa shower loralo. Here do number shower loralo. One prostitute loralo. Oh, you know them ba. Marriage or you kwa shower boy a wife. You kwa nkete ship boy a wife. O dare na lebu kubuogi. Me kubuogi. You kwa betray, you kwa snitch. Amado hamabukweki. E putara ni ihe na dog. No wugene. Did that? Oh my God. You were demon. And don't even I will never. As long as you keep lying. I cannot my pianka. Ne pekia. Pesi ke wabu ne na kamo. Makachine ke kremo na I will never leave you. Putara. She that in here so no again. Neither be mere opoto less man apology. Jpac, you was doing your apology and don't use Urugi. Who used you? We peacefully at own. You brought opoto less useless information. The guys come show. I want to show you guys. Come show. Because you think. Because you want to apologize, get used to say I need to lie against us. And it's not here, so you are a demon. If you like, Go and apologize to Ibu. We don't give a fuck. But do not use it and render a fake apology. You are a bloody liar. You cannot come out and use it and render a fake apology, knowing very well that you are lying. Nobody's against you to make peace. And we don't give a fuck. If you like, go and mepe obodoles man ibuya or wamuya. It's none of our business. But coming and saying that we use you, why you are the one that use yourself because of money, because of ego. You gave us this, but you should not want it for Sugaki. Wait. And then Alisa, wait, did you come? Okay, sorry, I don't see your call. I just seen this call. Hello, I'm on a speaker. You're on a speaker. Yeah?
I won't spend more time saying I speak.
You're on a speaker. You're on a speaker.
Hey, your enemies now jump in. Hey, cost. All the castists on getting Deca. So Chimarin cost no work again. You guys are not helping him again. I want to get you 3 years, not now. Chimarin tempo transfer other Jesus. Other Jesus, no garden. No garden.
Anna Chia Jack Consolo where he's normal. It's normal. It's normal. It's normal.
At the end of 1 week, other Jesus, Jerry, may have so rest in peace. So that cost no work again. Of course, let me go get you cost there. I'm coming out. I'm coming. Okay. So of course, which curse will be more potent than a father's curse?
Mambo.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'll get you. Of course, let me get you cost there. All these lies don't enable. And does get you look like a child that
every day I keep meeting people, make what you give me to the work. I keep connecting myself from top to top. I don't understand.
Don't get you look like a child.
Nigeria, but I need to happen then.
Because according to you guys, I'm able to think all this father back. Are you guys dust? I told you even know you get ready to one. Can't you guys go and rest? Come on. The person that is the camera so can only destroy you.
A lot of people can destroy it now.
Can only destroy you. All we are back. Come on. Ijele, abi udene. Always back a camano. That unable nature come of issue oge chunu chani now cha. Makana akun buaka akun jika kiwuni. I'm from one idiot. Baba na TikTok. Ogechi. Ashawa. Ogoshi. You could throw go hospital. Yeah. All this while Ogechi negotiate all the proceedings in the hospital in Hasia. All the lies don't Ogechi success. Ogechi success native you. Ogechi the success native you. Ogechi the result native you. All say they go hospital. Now they go hospital. At the end of the day, this lady appear the hospital. Now appear the hospital and I go see proceedings here. It is salary. Not a rented one. Or rented though. A structure. A woman about that. A woman about that. Okoro followers. They say because Bian. The same man. And I'm going. Remember to do you go for because now we don't have health services. We don't have health structures. Let me volunteer the land. Let us erect a hospital, a maternity From maternity, we go to a bigger hospital. Like play. Ndi ro chugu gidi can no la Prince of Justice ngwa. Andeneto, ogoshi wonyoshi, obonyoshi, owe perima, o mere nka, propaganda, allegation, ndaya egobi, anaghị asị ihe mmeso. But people who nwere inner sight. You see, if this is your dream, and I'm not here getting in the bayaka, we are going to support you. Come, on your donate the money. The interview on your platform. Hey, nobody's donating. I actually go. How was China? Oh, nobody. We were just laughing at you guys. For some years, she kept mute. The money was there. She kept mute. It was like as if the money, nothing was going on. Hey, only go hospital. But people who are close to Gechi knows what is going on. When she was ready to showcase the hospital, she brought it out. The hospital to my hotel because Gechi has a hotel in Nigeria. They said they lied that not only at the hotel. Okay, see, okay, because now I'm ready to now present the hospital because they buy person, and she started it, and she was saying it. This woman, one by one. This woman, come on. Imagine somebody who has not fought out her life, giving a poke on somebody's life. You're not worry about somebody else. You have problems of your life. You're supposed to sort out problems in your marriage. Or we're going to get you on the it happened to get solved. Sense. So my message in the that karma, that if only when I true get together, and only get together, natural, or no to accord. Very soon, that maternity, because we are on the stage of maternity. Every people are now on a very low cost. Almost only the very, very poor that they cannot afford to sort themselves out. About the hacker. They pay for the people can help them sort that bills and they go home. Soon that hospital will be set. It used to be results I get you a name when and results I get you with Chanine. Maybe go carry
Thank you. Why are you guys reporting my videos? Jpac, why are you reporting my videos? I see Facebook is sending me notification that you guys are reporting my videos. You know? Why are you guys reporting my videos that I made? Video Olympus, you guys are reporting it as bully harassment. Why are you guys reporting my videos? He said he's not touching you. Why are you reporting? Everybody can be a report to my your own. No. Why are you guys reporting my videos? Why are you guys reporting my videos? Why you not reporting my videos? Why are you guys reporting my videos? Why are they reporting my videos? Harassment, Nanka. Why are you guys after my videos? I just got a notification. You guys reported a video. She staying away from this fight between me and the Jpac. I report as bullying and harassment. Why are you reporting my videos? Why are they reporting my video? How did this one reported my video that I made and posted that they should stay away from this fight between me and Jpac? Why did you guys report my video as harassment? Did I harass anybody? Why are you Jpac? You don't start, oh. You don't start, oh. You don't start, oh. No one start, oh. You don't start. My innocent video, my live program yesterday. Basara Jpac, you went and you reported it. You guys went and reported my video. Why reporting my video? Why are you reporting my video? I've sent a counter claim. So I'll report what I don't cry. Why are you guys reporting my video, my innocent videos? Eh? Why are you reporting my video? Don't report to video for what? No, I don't start to. No, I start to. No, I start to. Warriors. Warriors the bloody. Warriors the bloody. Warriors the bloody. Stay away from my page. 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 Jpac. Ijikwa ị na-ejikwa Facebook ga-akpa ego. Hapụkwara m page aka. Hapụkwara m my page aka. Hapụkwara m page m aka. Hapụkwara m page m aka. You don't report me now. Now you start to. Now you start to. Every video I'm about you, oh, I can't report. Every video I'm about you can't report. Stay away from my videos. Stay away from my videos. I don't they tell you. Oh, well, like reporting now. Stay away from my video. I don't know what you say by harassing and bullying. Are you not the master of bullying and harassing? Are you not the master of bullying and harassing? Go ahead, Peter. Hello? Namami network name. Multiple idea. I can't bring you in. Network will get the bad.
Hello?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. When I report the video again, Obru's report on any on ka ebe reporting ka maka agata page ya na nwunye iji we lụọ maka ebe nka hope wa
Jpac ibidokwala o.
mgbe ọ chọrọ
Ibidokwala o. Ibidokwala na report to my page o. Na you start o.
Apịa kpọpụta page Jpac ata ya anyị ga-atarị ya render page ahụ useless ọkwa na-emere onwe follower si anyị proceed ka anyị proceed enweghị ihe dị ebe a rụjuru ahụ enweghị anyị na-alụ aka siri anyị ike Jpac biko ihe m bịara ka imela anyị ka dọkịta enwetago m dọkịta ogorikoome travel dọkịta m ga-abịa cheki gị Jpac eche m maka ya gị ji China bata ka ị bịa nene ike gị a eche m maka ya gị ji bata kedụ nke ịbata ka ị bịa nene ike anyị afọdụ ike nene kọwazi akọ mma Ngozi na ndị ya dị ọka isi eme nna nemtis ka pipụl nọ na-eche gị ma Olodo TV onye nọ na-eche gị si na ikpe ekego onwe ya ịbata kọbazi akọ ọzọ pipụl nọ na-eche gị ka ị bịa mere anyị Jpac biko anyị ọ na-emekwala abụ ahụ inide ịkọwara ya anything ọtọ gị gara nke jee mechi interview Jpac ya ịchọ dọkịta manogo na-eche since ụnyaahụ Jpac echighị Monde ka anyị ga-eme ya onye ntị ịnụ isi na mụ na akụkọ mma Ngozi a na-aka achọrọ m aka Jpac kemgbe ị na-emere anyị lab na ọya ịbata o kwesịrị ịbata on Friday onye ọ na ka ikpe a kee onwe ya ịbatazi bịa kọwazi akụkọ vudowe ego n'isi chọọ ebe a ga-ahụ nwa gị na nwunye gị yi ọkpa ndị ahụ na-ewepụtara anyị ọkpa ndị tiri eti kemgbe anyị n'ụlọ ọfụma ụnụ anọrọ ọfụma ọkụ na-agba na azara ị na-ebe akwa Jpac ọ na-eru gị alụ lapụ ife a nenu nwaanyị nweta gị chọ igbu karịa gị o gbugodi karịa gị na onwezi karịa nwe karịa anyị iji agba asịrị o gbugie na nke a ka ije che nke a last bus stop ọ last bus stop ka ị bịa nya igote ọgwụ a na n'aka ndị ọgọman n'aka ya ifọdụ ifụkwa nwaanyị afọ ya bido n'oge ị na-agba ị na-awa anya ị na-eji kpọọ ma ndị otu gị aṅụ ma ndị otu gị atisiri eti ma nke Abakaliki ndị atisiri eti enwere level ha bịawa no problem onwedị ama ntụfuru na ha ọnụ jọsị ya bịawa onwere ego anya ije ahụ ma gụwa na nwunye gị onwegwu ego ana Jpac na ka nwekwa gị ị na-emekwa ihe ọ dị elugarụ ọ na-elugarụ ọfụma ị na-asa asịsa mgbe ọbụla n'enugo Jpac na-ekwetara na ịga ọfọ ị na-agọrọ mmadụ ọfọ beta ọfọ niile ndị dibịa gwara gị nwebe isi na ọfọ dị elu na-asị mmadụ akpọ gị nna ya ọkpọ ntụ ịbawa mba wee kọba dị pesụl ọnụ chika ebife blọk wee vụọ ọnụ ka ị na-avụ onwe gị ọnụ maka na ịgwa ndị mmadụ ọnụ ndị mmadụ vụọ gị alụwa gị ọnụ ịchọ gbekwa ekpere ka ị mụọ nwa ahụ maka na ọnụ ndị mmadụ chọrọ ebe ị nọ gbekwa ekpere nke ahụ kwa chọrọ ihe nụ nwaanyị ka ọ bịa ibreki ha atụ mmadụ vụrụ mmanya kpọọ onye ahụ iru kpọchaa ya iru pụta ijerụzie ofu ashawa dosezie ashawa mụtazi ọnlaịn na-ekwu ndị na-ekpe nsi na obodo ahụ ibe ihe na-agụ asọ mmiri ezu ule ihe ndị na-aga ịmara ekwu okwu ihe anọ nwa ihe ọ ka esi agbasa gawa nnọọ ka ọ bụ na ị mụrụ ọrụ ka ndị lọvụrụ di ya onye lọvụ afọ nsi a na-akpọ n'ike ihe Jpac jụọ nwa ụlọ na nka ka ọ nọ nwaanyị na nka onye dị gọvanọ Eziokwu si na gọvanọ Eziokwu mpa mmadụ nna afịa 67 ebe jigoro na Jpac tọ ya ịma Jpac agbatego na
let this one be the last. Don't report my video again.
Ihe Jpac na-agụ asọ mmiri gị aka m na-agwa ịgụsị asọ mmiri ihe na-agụ nwekọ ebe ị na-eje ọgụnwa mgbe ị na-anwụ ara ka emecha wepụtara anyị onwe vidio anyị na-eche ka ewepụtara anyị vidio aka awụọ aka niile ga-awụzụ awụzụ ọkwa ị na-anwụ anya ị na-agụ asọ mmiri n'oge na onye na-agbasa gị ị na-agba saga ife ị na-agụ bụ asọ mmiri ka ife ị na-agụ ịgbagbu oge na saga Jpac na-eme na ọ na-ekwu okwu ekwutenwuru okwu ọrụ gị nwa onye ogbi dị ka gị na-abịa ekwu okwu ndị na-ekpo nsị onwe n'obodo oyibo nwe kọmpanị 8 ọlọ hoziri nke a bịara ọ na-akwa hoziri ya na-alụ ihe niile ọ na-alụ ịfụrụ ya Jpac ji weta ụlọ mpịa alụchago ụlọ 1961 wee welu penti dị na Anambra steeti wee gbujuo ya wee na-ama nwaanyị aka nwaanyị na-emere ka fọdụ amata na iwere na-amụ ya aka ịmacha ya aka aka unu na-ama nwere onye ruru unu aka na ihe na unu nene ndị niile Jpac agụrụ akwụkwọ mbe gasị na ọ gụrụ akwụkwọ ndị a mbịara ebe a kwesịrị ịbịa ọ ndị na-akpụ ya n'ikeja ndị kọmpanị abịachaghị ya ahụ Jpac ị na-akpọ n'ike ọ sị na ide akpọ n'ike bịara anyị test a dị anyị mkpa isi ka ịbata from China ịbata n'ọnụ ụzọ eluigwe ka ịbịa test ịbatago bịara anyị test Jpac ekwensu bịara anyị test isi na ụdị erughị alụ nna anyị ọkpọ ntụ ka ị bụ ọkwa ihe na m onwe peji m ga-emepe ọfọ kịta nna anyị ọkpọ ntụ Jpac onye m ga-eji mepe ya nwanne echi ị ga-afụ ya ọ ga-ebido na soshal midia nna anyị ọkpọ ntụ Jpac onye ike yi oyi efite na-aka akọ ị na-akọ ndị ụghọ m gụọ ahụ mmụọ n'elu nwaanyị ka ị nọ na nka ịnụchazi ya na nka na-eme na onwe na-amara ndị ụghọ na-anụ nwaanyị onwe na-amara ka nnọọ ka ị na-ekiri m onye akpọchago n'ike Jpac wụsọ na ime test nkwụsị kpọ gị mfụ gị respekt gaala onwe m ikwere emela bịara anyị test na ahụ dupụta nwunye gị na-agụ asọ mmiri ite ofe na-agụ asọ mmiri na-agụ na SS2 dropout ikpọpụta na soshal midia ka ọ bịa gụba asọ mmiri ka ife ọma ọ na-akọ ezu ule elafụ Jpac ọ nọ nwaanyị ọfụ mụa na ụdị ochie nke nnụ kanta ozu nwụrụ anwụ nonsense.
Nah, guys, I can happen because I got pardon. I go leave on tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm coming for that Nketabola. Jerem, tomorrow I'm coming from Nketabola. Tomorrow, peacefully tomorrow I'm coming from Nketabola. So when I be report on my page anyway. Come back on my another page. You know, get follow. In case anything you made this one, I go nowhere. I'm wearing pages. Can go no pages soon get follow. If you think that this one has started to threatening you, can go no page you also get follow. Hold on. Ebem ga no piano ya another woto. Chema go on another page. I can leave this one though. I can leave this one and face another one. What I go? So I'm mechagodi ihe no na page. I dispute wala me. Chere ma go no page mu no get follow now. Maybe eba ho kan ga na made my second video chere. Can go to my page, you follow now. Let me show you my page you are going to follow now. Jpac Chatt, will get a don't report me again. Oh. Don't report me again. I report to Kwalame again. I'm going to report to me again. Please. When I can message me, I'm on a moment. I will get online TV. No, I'm not gonna use that one. No, not to get online TV. Don't worry. Check I'm a post to the page here now. Follow me on the page. Me post here right now. I'm a tag here and here. Oh, I cannot add sticker. Anyway, let me show you the page because I cannot add again. Now this is the page. Hold on. You can follow. This is the page you will follow. No grief for anybody this year. Here the page you can follow. On a 190K followers. So follow the page. Follow everybody made this one attack. Oh, good. Should I come because I just from dispute here. Should I hold on? The page you can follow. Follow this page. No grief for anybody this year. Follow this page. I can get on her life very soon. And I'm gonna share my videos there. Just follow this page. Follow this one. I'm here now, but also I'm here to report to bully. Pay a bully. Or they can bully. We are not bullying shaking. So follow this page. No, the point here, you got this lady here. I'm actually already know my profile. This thing, hold on. They are up picture here. So this is my page. You can follow it. You got my videos share here. Follow this one because on eba kam ge buari the saga now. No, 190K followers. That's my page is audio. Okay, call them decide they make you zoo. Okay, you have pinned the page. Good. That's the name of the page. You can pin the link now. Copy the Chema copy. Chema copy the link. Because some people don't copy the link. In a report to my again. I thought when I said the 1 million, nobody they listen to you. I never see anything. Oh, picture here. Okay. Sure. 1 million, nobody they listen to you. The thing no me wakwalo na anyu no me una fokwalo phone at the 1 million. Hey, you don't be not say everybody. The makwa mmadin. That account me the body here self. Okay. I posted the link. Okay, here. This is the link. Pin the link and follow the link. Follow the link, follow the page. Come get my next go. So anyway, come down at the page now. Come return on at the page now. That means the moon program injury there. Come return on at the page now. I got at the page. Can get at the page, come now life now.